This is Lucafena 50 mg. They have been carrying as a fake market, but it's not. It is not. It is registered. It is registered. This is diclofenac. Diclofenac. Ordinary diclofenac. This is diclofenac. Look at this is diclofenac. Enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough, oh, Nafdac, enough is enough. Enough is enough, Nafdac. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. This is the government. This is Lucafena 50 mg. They have been carrying as a fake market, but it's not. It is not. It is registered. It is registered. This is diclofenac. Diclofenac. Ordinary diclofenac. This is diclofenac. Look at this is diclofenac.
I am saying this without apologies.
Enough. Enough is enough.
The agenda of people that are in the seat of power in Nigeria is against the Igbos. Take it or leave it. That is it. If it is not like that,
enough is enough, oh, Nafdac, enough is enough. Enough is enough, Nafdac. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough.
Why is your eyes only in Igbos business? If you check medical line in Nigeria, it is Igbo people. If Yoruba is there, there are only 1%. If Hausa is there, there are either 1 or 2% out of the people that are dealing with pharmaceutical drugs and other things. They are Igbos. And the Igbos listen, before I go on with my words, Igbos listen. Stop doing a business in the market where if you come, you see everybody is in the market. It is a trap to you people if you don't understand. And any place they are disturbing you people too much, just leave that area. All of you should pack. If it's in the market, pack the whole in the market. Scatter yourself. Listen, in Lagos State, that is Igbō, where they are selling pharmaceutical products. It is going on there. I never wanted to say anything since 1 week now or thereabout more. This thing started. They have crumbled Igbo business. In Anambra, where in Headbridge, is still Nafdac that went and sealed up that place. Why Igbos? They know this is the business of Igbos. Do you know how many millions, how many billions that have been lost? Not only that, Nafdac has gone to the extent of carrying registered products that are in Nigeria from people's shop, saying that those people did not renew their license. Is it the right of the person who is the final consumer, who is the retailer that is supposed to go and renew license? Nafdac, are you people using your heads? Is it a retailer or a wholesaler that is saddled with the responsibility of going to renew their license? Is it a license of a company that you are agreed to operate in Nigeria? Are they the one? Is it not, according to the law, if anybody who have instituted a company in Nigeria faulted that he did not renew or he did not register, that is the people that you are going to sue, instead of going to disturb people carrying their goods. Some millions of goods, like 11 million, 10 million, has been carried from Lagos State. I am talking of Igbō, precisely Igbō. Trying to use this to bite Igbos. Yes, fighting of illicit drug, fake drugs is good. But is it carrying the drugs that are registered? People are buying those drugs because it is registered. And you, after looking for fake drugs, you start carrying drugs that are registered. If they fought not to renew their license, you are to go there and hold them according to the law. But you use it to bite Igbos. Who is the Nafdac DG? It's not an Igbo man. He should be a Yoruba or Hausa. It's not a Yoruba. If it's not a Yoruba, it's an Hausa. That is the agenda to deal with Igbos. Quote me right if it is not. Why? Go to Headbridge, the same thing. They set their traps against the Igbos. Okay, the one that happened at trade fair. The same way they are chasing Igbos, who are the people that are in the trade fair? Lagos State trade fair. Igbos. That is how they deal with Igbo people. They chase them, they close down their businesses. Many of them now cannot pay their rent. That is the agenda to deal with Igbos. And the Igbo people, you people are not using your sense. For long, this thing has been happening. And none of you is recording anything and be sending out because you are afraid of these enemies. How long are we going to be afraid of you people, sir? This is a pure agenda of destroying the Igbos. It can never happen again. It can never. It can never happen again. I am against peddling of illicit drug, but I'm against this wickedness that is going on. If any company did not renew their license, it is your obligation to go and meet them. You are the one that registered them. If they did not renew it, sue the company. Okay, you are going to carry goods of people of a company that was registered because you said they have pictures on the drugs. Are you going to carry the goods from people that bought it, or you are going to sue the company if it goes against the rules and the laws of pharmacy? Is it the people that bought the registered goods that has pictures you are going to carry them? By the way, what has pictures got to do with drugs that are original, that you affirmed and confirmed original? What has pictures got to do with it? Okay, if the picture is the only problem, is it their obligation to change it? The people that bought the drug, is it the obligation to change it, or is it your obligation to go and force the company to change it? You have no right. As a matter of fact, you are dealing with people who do not know the law. It is not your right to go to the market and carry goods from a company. Just when you see it, what you will do, you sanction the company because it goes against the rules. You sanction the company, you close it down, or you give them penalty to pay. This Igbophobia wickedness is too much in Nigeria. Why should this happen? You are carrying people's goods, making them poor. This can never be 1960 when the war ended, that the Igbos only got, is it 20 naira or 20 pounds? It can never happen again. Igbo people, learn lesson. Scatter yourself. Why is it only Igbo business that they are destroying? You see a house that is built in one place because you know it's an Igbo house. You tell me it is in the drainage because it's Igbo. Igbo build. How many houses will be on drainage system? You keep bringing them down because it's an Igbo house. Why? Why this wickedness? You go to Autopass. Autopass was sealed, was having problem in Lagos. The same Igbo business. When will this nonsense stop? What are you people exactly doing? What are you people trying to let people know in the whole world? That is the wickedness. You people are fighting and bickering against the Igbos. Not that you are looking for fake things, but you look for those fake things and use it to bite innocent people. Go and do your job the way it's supposed to be. If anybody fought it, you have no right to close anybody's business. You have no right to say, in total, you close the business. Rather, what you will do is you go from door to door, door to door. You don't close people's business. You are making the economy to be very hard in Nigeria. If Igbo people leave Nigeria, they are crying for Biafra. If they leave Nigeria, you will see what will happen. This Lagos, you are saying, leave our place, leave our place. You people are dealing with the Igbo people. When Igbo people leave Lagos, Wole Soyinka said it some time ago, so many years ago. He said, Igbo people leave Lagos. Lagos will be a football stadium, a football ground. You will not see anybody. I want to let you people know this. This is wickedness. God in heaven do not condone this type of wickedness because he's a Yoruba woman. That is why you are dealing with the Igbos. How far is it happening in the north? You know you cannot do such a thing in the north. Yes, you can go for regulations, but you cannot do it in the north. Let me tell you, the whole world is pointing hand at Nigeria, and you people are still pointing hand at you people, at yourselves. Is it God in heaven that will deal with all of you? See, at the end, see the video. You will see what is happening. Keep subscribing to this channel. We come here every morning by 7 o'clock. God bless you.